everybody. My name's Ken Riley with Copperland. This week we're bringing you another interesting video about living on gold. The whole purpose of this series is to show new technology, new geology, new methodology for finding gold, mining it, and living on it. There's a lot of gold out in Arizona on BLM land, just sitting there waiting for us to go find it, process it, and live on it. Unfortunately, most of the tools that people are using aren't processing enough material, or they're not processing the right kind of material. If you want to live on gold, you have to get to the source of gold, and that is lodes, veins up in the mountains, in the hills. So we're going to show, first of all, what kind of equipment we've developed over the last couple of years. It's a whole new philosophy, a whole new idea on processing gold ore. And we call our new invention the Gold Turbine. And it's not just a device, it's a system. You can't just take a singular device like a sluice or a pan or a pick and even microscopes or whatever. You're not going to get gold that way. You have to have a machine, a new machine, that's going to process enough material to collect and concentrate gold from lode ore. So to begin with, what we did is designed up a system. It's a top-down approach to processing gold. This is a cart that we designed and built to have different levels, a top-to-down series of levels of parts of the process, and it's basically divided into three parts of the process. We have crushing the ore, we have separating the gold from the ore, and then we have, in the last part, a fail-safe collection. It'll be a typical sluice, but with some modifications. Now we built this cart to be as lightweight as we could get it, but really, really strong. This is 1-inch angle steel, and we welded basically a square frame together with flat plates for our wheels. We want to be able to push it around, even though this will probably be mounted on a trailer with a few other pieces of equipment, generator and different things like that, because we're going to be running as many as 5 pumps in this process. And that's in order to make a complete recirculating water system. Now this is a system you can use in the winter, the summer, any time of year. It's not a dry washer. Dry washers, you have to have dry material. This one you don't. You can run material all year long. If you want to get out in the middle of winter in Arizona, you can do it. But I'd suggest staying in the south part of Arizona because it's cold out there. People have been reporting that it's like 50s during the day and down to 20s and 30s at night in the quartzite area, which is really unheard of. Anyway, to show you what direction we're going in, this top section will have a small 6-inch chain mill. The midsection here will have the Gold Turbine machine to separate what comes down. This will all be linked together. The crusher will be linked directly to the Gold Turbine, and then the mineral, the non-valuable mineral, will come out of the Gold Turbine, drop down on this sluice area, and any really fine gold that gets out of the Gold Turbine will get caught on the sluice. Now we've proven in a couple of videos in the past that the Gold Turbine is 98 to 99% efficient at separating metal from sand. So what we're going to do is start with a consistent material, which is grind everything down to a consistent sand and metal, probably 100 to 200 mesh, could be 50. But then that will go down into the Gold Turbine, and we're trying to create like a standard so that any materials, you're not putting rocks and gravel and different things in like you would with a sluice. It's all crushed down to a standard consistency, and then you tune your Gold Turbine to take that consistent material and easily tune it to sift out sand from the metal. So that explains pretty much what direction we're going in. Next time we'll show you what we're doing to build up the 6-inch chain mill. We'll hit that next time. We'll go through stage by stage each part of the system until you really understand what you can do on your own. You don't have to get a Gold Turbine necessarily, but you're smart if you take like a 3-step approach like we're doing. And as you get into it, you'll see more and more all the different parts that we're putting together. Like I said, we're using 5 pumps. And those 5 pumps will create a complete recirculating system. We'll be moving sand. We'll have special pumps for moving sand, things like that. So, remember, if you didn't get much gold with your sluice, pan, and pick, get yourself a Gold Turbine. That'll do the trick. This is Ken Riley saying take care, and I will see you in the Arizona gold fields.